Hello everyone, welcome to Uncle Ken's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to grill New York striploin steak topped with chimichurri herb sauce. Please follow me. Okay, I got my ingredient cut and prep. I have parsley and cilantro chopped, not too fine. Now I cut my lemon into half and take out the seed into my bowl. Okay, now I got all my ingredient prep. I got chopped parsley, I got dry oregano, chopped garlic, chopped rosemary, set of lemon, chili, pepper, or you can use jalapeno pepper. Take out the seed and chop fine. What I made here, so I will take all the juice. After I set my lemon, I will take all the juice out of the lemon into the bowl. So you may roughly about for 4-5 serving here. Now I add in 4 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and 4 tablespoons of cilantro chops. Depends how spicy you like. If you like it spicy, you add more chili pepper or jalapeno. If not, then maybe 1 teaspoon. Two teaspoons of dry oregano. About 4 or 5 cloves chopped garlic. Two teaspoons of rosemary chopped. Lemon zest of the whole lemon. One teaspoon of salt, sea salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can use balsamic vinegar or red wine vinegar. 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Or 6 tablespoons of olive oil. And combine all ingredients together. And you will get the beautiful herb they call chimichurri sauce for your steak. Okay, now next step we do marinate my New York striploin. You sprinkle some salt, sea salt on both sides. Not too salty, both sides. Peppercorn core, I sprinkle some on both sides. A little bit garlic powder, both sides. Teaspoon for massage. And sprinkle some chopped parsley, look nice, and then massage your meat. Massage your meat, striploin, or can call New York striploin. It's done for the marinade. Now I will go to my pan and we'll see the steak to medium rare and we're finishing up. Okay, now I'm going to sear my New York steak to medium rare. First I add in a little bit oil. Cool your pan. Add your New York stick. Sear them until it's coating nice and then flip them over. Okay, now my New York stick or striploin sear. One side well, I will check and flip them over just like that. You see, nice and seared. And then you flip them like that and let them sear for another 3 more minutes. Then we're finishing up with some butter. Our striploin is already medium rare, as you see, and it's done. So I will stop my fire and add in butter to make it more flavorful on my steak. You see that? And finishing up with some chopped parsley. And that's the finishing product. And I will saute some of my vegetable and we will show you how to plate it. It's already medium rare. I can feel it. It's spongy in medium rare. Now I use the same pan because my pan is nice and coating good. I will add some garlic into my mushroom. Today I have mini portobello mushroom. Wash and slice. I will add garlic and butter into my pan. It's very good glaze, so it's gonna be very flavorful when you saute your mushroom. Portobello. And saute until it's nice and tender and it's done. Okay, when my mushroom already sauteed a little bit, add in some of my white wine to give them good flavor. Add some salt and pepper. And continue saute a little bit more and it should be good. There you go, see? Okay, mushroom already nice and tender. Add in a little bit parsley, and that's it for my mushroom. Okay, I got my pan hot again. Add some butter, some garlic for my spinach, and I have nice and fresh organic spinach. Add them in, and it will sweat and it will go down. Add some salt and pepper into my spinach. And saute a little bit more, then it should be done. This very fast step because it's spinach, it doesn't take long. See? See now my spinach already done. And I will show you how to play all my veggie and New York stick with chimichurri sauce. Okay, now I got my New York stick to medium rare, and beside I have some roast potato with rosemary, sauteed mushroom, portobello, and organic spinach. And on this side I have a plate of veggie that you can serve to enjoy with your family. And this is the steak I'm talking about, and this is the main sauce of the day. Is the chimichurri. It's a herb, garlic, rosemary, cilantro, parsley, lemon, olive oil. So I will, that's how you serve it, like that. You put them right on. It's very good with your steak and yummy with barbecue, either chicken or beef. And you don't have to make a gravy. It tastes very fresh and nice. So I will taste it. This is my steak. It's nice and pink, medium rare. I will get a slice of that. So nice and tender. With some chimichurri. And you see how the steak with the chimichurri, it tastes very yummy. I will try it. So juicy It's a medium rare with the chimichurri sauce. It's lemony, herby, flavor with olive oil combined. You can eat this all day. It's very fresh. It's so yummy. And that is the finished product. That's how you make your New York steak, filet mignon, chicken sandwich. With that sauce, it go with everything. And besides, I have some sauté portobello. I will taste one. Winey, garlicky a little bit. Tastes so good. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.